Welcome back to Whimsy Tricks. If you're looking to be extra frugal in 2024, then you've come to the right place. Today, we have a list of amazing frugal living lifestyle tips that will help you save some serious cash. Let's dive in. Making your own soap. First up, why spend money on expensive soaps when you can make your own? Here's a simple recipe. Mix 1/4 cup of baking soda, 1 cup of Epsom salt, and 20 to 25 drops of your favorite essential oil, such as citrus or lavender. Combine them well and pour the mixture into a container. Voila! Your very own homemade soap. Bleach. Did you know you can make your own bleach? Just mix 1/2 cup of vinegar or lemon juice with 1/2 cup of baking soda. It's a great alternative that's both effective and budget-friendly. Homemade fabric softener. Say goodbye to expensive fabric softeners. Fill a 1-liter bottle with white vinegar, add 10 drops of your favorite essential oil, and mix different scents together if you'd like. This DIY fabric softener will leave your clothes feeling fresh and soft. Vicks VapoRub. Feeling under the weather? You can make your own Vicks VapoRub with just 2 ingredients. Simply mix camphor and Vaseline, and you have a DIY remedy that works wonders. Homemade shampoo. Tired of spending a fortune on shampoo? Here's an easy recipe. Combine 1/4 cup of Castile soap, 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of jojoba oil, and 10 to 15 drops of essential oil. If you have leftover mixture, you can freeze it for later use. Alternatively, you can take a handful of curry leaves or rosemary, soak them in hot water overnight, drain the leaves, and mix the remaining liquid with 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel and 1/4 cup of Castile soap or baby wash soap. Your DIY shampoo is ready to go. Hair conditioner. Don't forget about your hair. Create your own hair conditioner by blending 1/4 cup of cooked rice, 1/4 cup of aloe vera or flaxseed gel, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E or any kind of oil, and a few drops of rosemary oil. Apply it to your hair after shampooing and leave it on for 15 minutes. Your hair will thank you. Avocado or banana hair mask. Need some extra nourishment for your locks? Mix avocado or banana with any kind of cooking oil and leave it on your hair for 15 minutes. Your hair will feel incredibly soft and healthy. Homemade skin moisturizer. Keep your skin hydrated with a homemade moisturizer. Just mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil until well combined. Apply it to your face, neck, and hands for a natural and refreshing glow. Hand cream. Dry hands? No problem. Combine Vaseline with 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel and 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix it all together and apply it whenever your hands need some extra care. Lip balm or lip gloss. Don't forget about your lips. Make your own lip balm or lip gloss by mixing Vaseline, coconut oil, jojoba oil, and any old makeup of your choice. Mix them together, and voila! You have your very own custom lip balm. Lipstick. Why buy expensive lipsticks when you can make your own? Mix together liquid foundation, eyeshadow, and Vaseline. Pour the mixture into a container, and you have your homemade lipstick. Eyeliner. Don't throw away the remnants of your black color pencil. Melt it with Vaseline in a spoon, mix well, and pour it into a lid container to harden. Now you have your very own DIY eyeliner. Homemade eyeshadow. Create your own eyeshadow by mixing loose pigment with rubbing alcohol. Mix it together and pour it into a container to let it dry. Now you have a customized eyeshadow palette. Face mask. Pamper your skin with a DIY face mask. Mix coconut oil with turmeric and apply it to your face. Leave it on for a while, and you'll feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Exfoliating with activated charcoal. Want to exfoliate your skin? Mix activated charcoal with water or any kind of oil to create a scrub. Apply it to your skin. Leave it on for 10 minutes, and then rinse. Your skin will feel smooth and revitalized. Cleaning with vinegar. Vinegar is not just for cooking. It's also a great cleaning agent. Use vinegar to clean your windows and even your entire house. It's an affordable and effective solution. Get the kids involved. Get your kids involved in frugal living by assigning them chores like mowing the lawn. It's a great way for them to learn responsibility and save money on outsourcing those tasks. Baking your own bread and cookies. Save money on store-bought bread and cookies by baking your own. Not only will it be delicious, but it's also a fun and rewarding activity. Wool dryer balls. Ditch dryer sheets and use wool dryer balls instead. They're reusable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly. Plus, they help reduce drying time. Reusing items. Embrace the concept of reusing items to save money and reduce waste. Give new life to old pots and pans, repurpose items, and find creative ways to extend the lifespan of your belongings. We hope these tips have inspired you to take control of your finances and embrace a frugal lifestyle. Remember, being frugal doesn't mean sacrificing quality or enjoyment. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and long-term goals. By implementing these money-saving strategies, you can create a more sustainable and fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us in this series, and we wish you all the best on your frugal living journey. Stay tuned for more helpful content in the future.